Most students lose easy marks on this simple topic, area of a circle. Some actually get confused when the diameter is given, while for some it is when they know the circumference, or when the circumference is given, they get stuck. However, in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to solve all types of area of a circle problems. Now, let's get into it. First, the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. R is the radius of the circle, while pi is a mathematical constant which is approximately equal to 3.14 or 22/7. Now let us see how this works in different types of questions. For instance, here the radius is 14 centimeters and we are to find the area of the circle. Again, don't forget that the area of a circle, as earlier stated, is pi r squared. And with pi given as 22/7, in this problem, the area of the circle is going to be 22/7 times 14 centimeters squared, where the square of 14 is 196, so 196 centimeters squared to multiply 22/7. What do you think this is going to give? 616 square centimeter for the area of this circle. In this second example, the diameter is given as 20 centimeter. Don't forget that the area of a circle, as earlier stated, is pi r squared. R is the radius, and that means it's quite important to find the value of the radius from the given diameter. In this case, the radius is half of the diameter, that's 20 centimeters, divided by 2, so the radius of this circle is 10 centimeters. Hence, the area of this circle is going to be 3.14, which is the value for pi here, times 10 centimeters squared. That's the square of the radius. And that is going to be 3.14 times 100 square centimeters, which is 314 centimeters square or square centimeters. Don't forget the main point here. When calculating the area of a circle and you're having the diameter, remember to divide it by 2 in order to get the radius. This is one common mistake that some students make when calculating the area of a circle given the diameter. Sometimes we can be asked to find the area of a circle in terms of pi, that is without using any numeric value for pi. Here the radius is given as 5.6 centimeters and the area as usual is pi r squared, and in this case it is pi times the square of 5.6 centimeters. This is 31.36 pi square centimeters. Now take note here, do not assume any value for pi except you're told the value to use. So if you're not given any value for pi, always leave your answer in terms of pi. Over to the final example, the big one. This is when the circumference is given. So here we are to find the area of a circle given a circumference of 24 pi centimeters. Now when it is the circumference that is given, the first thing to do is to find the radius of the circle by using the relation circumference is equal to 2 pi the radius. And this simply follows that the radius is going to be the circumference divided by twice of pi. And in this case, the circumference being 24 pi, so the radius will be 24 pi centimeters divided by 2 pi, bringing the radius of this circle to 12 centimeters. And it is only after this that you can actually calculate the area of the circle by using pi r squared. That brings the area of this circle to pi times the square of 12 centimeters. That is the product of pi and 144 centimeters squared, which, looking at this again, no value was given for pi. So the answer is going to be left in terms of pi, bringing the area to 144 pi centimeters squared. Now it is your turn. Find the area of a circle of circumference 22 centimeters. Pi is 3.14 in this case. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your answer to this question in the comments. I'll definitely check it. And if you want more simple math lessons like this, I've got more videos waiting for you. See you in the next one. Bye.